At Delta Optical Thin Film, we produce optical interference filters and dichroics for the spectral range from 300 nanometers up to around 1600 nanometers. We can do those as homogeneous optical coatings where the function is the same across the surface, and we can do those as variable filters where the functioning depend on the position on the coating. The company was the one proposing the use of interference filters in fluorescence microscopes as early as 1969. And in the 90s, we were the company who were the first to do coded X, Y, and Z filters for color measuring systems. Nowadays, we are the leading manufacturer of variable filters and dichroics.